so I'll be using it to film the Red Pig, the iconic Mercedes which has recently come out in Hot Wheels. And I think this is one of the most beautiful Mercedes that has ever come out by Hot Wheels. The detailing is absolutely stunning, and I mean, just let's start with the base. Okay, here we go. So this is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.8 AMG, popularly known as the Red Pig. One of the first I think this was the first AMG car that was made in the world. It's a 2020 casting. It was made in Thailand because it is a part of the Real Riders premium line, Hot Wheels Premiums, what we call basically. And it's super heavy. I mean, if you make a review of this car, you cannot ignore how heavy it is, and I've been roaming around it in my pocket since quite some time now because it's an amazing car and also super sturdy. And what is really impressive here is what you can see, the exhaust detailing. It is super rare to see these in Hot Wheels, that on a Hot Wheels premium car, which are usually not very expensive. Since Hot Wheels premium cars are not very expensive, we generally do not get to see such level of detailing on them. But now that we get to see it, I think it is wonderful, and it is really amazing to see how far Hot Wheels has come, especially thanks to the competition that has been increasing in this scale every day. The front of the car, if we look at it, the replication of the headlamps is just impeccable. I mean, it is almost impossible what Hot Wheels has done here with these headlamps. Literally impossible. And then we look at the sides. The sides have all the liveries. I think a couple of them are missing because maybe Hot Wheels was unable to get the licensing for the same. But the paint scheme is absolutely amazing, and the detailing, once again, if you look at any other Hot Wheels in this price range, because if it came to India, it would be priced at rupees 399. At 399, this car would be the biggest bargain of the century. I'm saying this on camera because I believe it to be true. I have paid almost $20 for this car, so I have overpaid by 3 times, and I'm still happy with my purchase. So I mean, I cannot even imagine what would be my reaction if I was able to get this car at 400 rupees or something. Just quickly going to show you all the details. Absolutely amazing. I love it. Even the wheels, they are very well matched with this car, and the front, I think it looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's amazing what they have been able to do with all the limited resources that generally Hot Wheels has. I mean, just look at that tiny grill that you can see, the logo on the grill and everything. It is almost impossible. Overall, I would give this Hot Wheels casting maybe a solid 9 on 10, even 9.5, because of my personal love for this car and one of my favorite Hot Wheels. I just realized I have not shown you the top. So the top is not very interesting. It's just got that thing on the boot and on the hood. Overall, this is a quick review of the car, so I have not been able to talk much about it, but still, it is no secret how much I love this car, how much I love this casting. And yeah, I'm just delighted to have it in my collection, even though it was a private import. Just absolutely in love with this car. It's one of the best Hot Wheels ever. Hot Wheels Premiums, Hot Wheels Mainlines. I just cannot get over how beautiful this car is, how heavy this car is, how solid it feels, and lastly, how cheap it is if you actually get it at a good price. I mean, imagine getting it at MRP. I cannot imagine it because Hot Wheels are not coming these days, but just amazing. Highly recommended. Even if you find one in the secondary market for maybe like under $20, I would say go for it. You will not regret it. Even if you uncard it. If you keep it carded, that's your personal choice, but I uncarded it recently and I just love it. I absolutely love it. So that's my review for the Mercedes 300 SEL 6.8 AMG, the Red Pig as we popularly know it. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.